Hi, my name is Yashwin, and I'll be taking you through the performance of the Ahmedabad real estate market during H2 2020. To start with, I'll give you a brief of what the market is all about. In addition to being the most affordable residential real estate market among the 8 cities under our coverage, Ahmedabad is also the smallest office market in India. Sales transactions in the Ahmedabad market constitute a higher share of primary market activity compared to most other markets. Office spaces here are typically viewed as a more attractive investment opportunity compared to the residential market, where prices have been relatively stagnant during this decade. Demand in the residential market has been steady during the 2016 to 2019 period, despite the slump in real estate felt across the country. Momentum has been comparatively stronger in the office market and has culminated in a historic high during 2019. However, 2020 has seen this momentum break due to the onslaught of the COVID-19 pandemic. It brought the Indian real estate market to a virtual standstill during the second quarter of 2020, and the real estate market in Ahmedabad was similarly impacted as well. Residential sales fell nearly 61% YOY, while office transactions dropped 15% YOY during 2020. However, the real estate market retraced significantly over the second half of the year. Office transactions in 2020 exceeded the preceding quarter by almost 13 times, or by 1,174%, while the residential sales grew by 139% during the same reference period. In fact, office transactions in Q4 2020 are almost double the 2019 quarterly average transactions, while residential sales are at 67% of the 2019 quarterly average. The resumption in business activity improved home buyer as well as occupier sentiments and was instrumental in bringing substantial latent demand back to the market. Additionally, residential as well as office developers have negotiated aggressively to liquidate inventory and push market traction. While office transactions are seeing a healthy recovery in the Ahmedabad market, the increasing supply is a cause for concern, given the high vacancy level in the city. The Gujarat government has taken some measures during Q4 2020 to support the residential sector, such as increasing the maximum carpet area limit for affordable housing from 80 square meter to 19 square meter, and enabling the purchase of agricultural land for affordable housing development. These steps will benefit upcoming projects and have an impact over the longer term. However, more aggressive steps such as the temporary stamp duty cut by the Maharashtra state government are much better suited to address the more immediate concerns of the Ahmedabad market.